Closest to me has nitrous. She's going to run that with 150 shot in there. It's nothing new to her though, she's done it before. We got Bonnie Carr in lane number 1 with the Jeep. And Roxanne in lane number 2 with the Dodge, ladies and gentlemen. Little nitrous purge. Beautiful. Awesome. Good run, ladies. We're going to run 10 there. And that'll be our last race of the day. I'd like to take a minute to thank you for all coming out, supporting us, watching us. We appreciate it. We know we got a little rained out today, but still turned out really good. Had a good day. We all love coming up to Massey and mud bogging up here. You guys got a great little town.